Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in this video I will provide you the daily quiz answer January 29 in XENEA Wallet. First of all, click claim your daily reward. You see I got 99 gems. Then click on missions, click daily quiz, then click start the quiz. Here you see January 29 a question and total 4 options, in which one option is the correct option. If you select the correct option you will get 100 gems, and if you select the incorrect option you will get only 20 gems. Before this I will provide you the correct answer. If you still don't join XENEA Wallet, the joining link is in the description. So option number 3 is the correct option. Select and click on submit. You will see correct, you got 100 gems. So hopefully you enjoying the video. Please like and share my video, and if you still don't subscribe my channel then please subscribe it. Goodbye friends.